Hello guys, welcome back to Master G Programming video tutorials. In this video I will teach you about file handling. This is the another interesting topic related to C++. In this we will be talking about how to read a file, how to open a file, how to close a file, how to write in a file. So if you can see that here I have included the fstream header file. This includes two classes mainly, offstream and ifstream. What we do of a stream is that we will write, or we can write something on a file and create a file through of stream class. So to access of stream class, we have to create an object of stream class. So of stream space first, as this is my first file that I am creating, so I am taking first name of an object. Now this is the way of way we can create a file. You can see it here. We have created a myfile.txt file I have created here, and it is open. In that way you can do two things: create a file and open that particular file. And there is another way I will be telling you. Let's delete this myfile.txt from here. So we will delete this myfile.txt. And then through that object we will open a new file. First dot open is a function that is included in the offstream class myfile.txt. Now this way you can also create an file and open that particular file through open function. But I don't like this method because it takes 2 lines of coding and like a shortcut method. So I will be creating with the last way that I've used. Then we can write anything in that particular text file through this statement, through the object first. This is my first file. This is the statement that will be overwritten in the myfile.txt that I have created just now, and then we will close that file. First.close. That's all. Now our program is done. We can run this program, and if you can see on the command prompt, there will be no output. Yes, there is no output on the command prompt because as we have created the file, so it must be in the project that we have created. So go to the project where we have created the, and there you can see the myfile.txt. There is a file located here, and there is a statement given here. You can see it here. This is my first file. The similar statement that we have written there in the program is also printed here. You can manipulate this statement, let's manipulate this statement, delete this. You can anything you can write, and you can save it, but I will not save it because I want that particular message only. So this is the message. Now there is another way of handling the file. If maybe there is an error, if you forget to open the file, if you forget to write anything on the file, give the name to the file, so it may give an error. So on this condition we can use the error handling in the file handling too. Like there is another way. We do not use try and catch block in the file handling. We use this way. If first is open, this is the way. If first is open, this means that the file that we are creating is open, then only you print this statement on that file and then close that file. And if it's not, then give an error statement. Else give an error statement, that is cout, something is wrong. So this statement will be get printed on the command prompt if we have forgotten to open the file, and if the file is open and there is the no such error, something is wrong. You can see it here that I have not given the any name to, I have not opened the file, I have not given the name to the file, so it will give an error. And as soon as I will give the name or and create open that file, so it will read this if statement and create that particular file. Now you can see on the project, go to the project and you can see that particular file, my file. Open this is my first file. So that's all from this part. This is the file handling part. We will be continuing this file handling part in the next tutorial also. So stay tuned with Master G, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe our channel.